If your apartment feels too dark for plants, you're probably judging light the wrong way. Most people think low light means no plants, but in reality, it means choosing the right ones. Today, I'll show you 7 plants that truly survive in low-light apartments, and I'll explain the simple science behind why they work. Because once you understand light correctly, your apartment changes completely. Low light does not mean no light. In plant terms, low light usually means no direct sun, indirect daylight, reflected light from windows. In most apartments, especially north-facing units, light levels are between 50 to 250-foot candles. That's low, but still usable. Plants that evolved under forest canopies are built for this environment, and those are the ones we'll focus on. Number 1, snake plant. Why it survives. Snake plants tolerate low photosynthesis rates. They grow slowly, which actually helps in low light. Beginner rule: water only when soil is completely dry. Intermediate insight: in low light, soil evaporation slows down, so watering frequency may drop to once every 3 to 4 weeks. Common mistake: placing it in a dark hallway with 0 window exposure. It still needs ambient daylight. Number 2, ZZ plant. Why it works. It stores water in underground rhizomes. Think of them as natural reservoirs. Beginner tip: err on the side of underwatering. Intermediate insight: low light reduces transpiration, so roots stay wet longer. Most ZZ deaths equal root rot from overwatering. Number 3, Pothos. Why it's popular. It tolerates inconsistent light, grows even in indirect conditions, and is easy to propagate. In low light, growth slows, but stability remains. Professional tip: if leaves get smaller over time, it needs slightly more light. Number 4, peace lily. Peace lilies are shade tolerant. Beginner cue: it droops when thirsty. Intermediate note: it prefers evenly moist soil, not soggy. Avoid heater vents in winter. Dry air stresses it. Number 5, cast iron plant. The name says everything. It handles low light, temperature changes, and dust. Perfect for entryways, low light corners, and offices. Growth is slow, but stable. Number 6, Chinese evergreen. Broad leaves absorb available light efficiently. If choosing varieties, solid green is best for darker spaces. Highly variegated needs slightly more light. This is where beginners get confused. More color usually means more light needed. Number 7, parlor palm. A classic apartment plant for over 100 years. Thrives in indirect light and stable indoor temperatures. Avoid direct afternoon sun and cold drafts. Most people don't kill plants with darkness. They kill them with water. Low light means slower growth, slower soil drying, and lower water usage. If you water on a schedule instead of checking the soil, you create root rot. Always check soil moisture first, and make sure you are using a high-quality, well-draining, organic soil mix so the roots can breathe. By the way, which of these 7 plants are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. Plants in small apartments do something subtle. They soften edges. They reduce visual noise. They create rhythm in a room. In urban spaces, that shift matters. If you're building your apartment plant collection step by step, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Each week, we share practical indoor gardening guides designed specifically for real urban apartments. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Low light doesn't limit you. It refines your choices. If this guide helped you choose smarter plants, leave a like. It helps more apartment gardeners find this channel. And next, I'll show you why even the right low light plant can still struggle in your apartment. This is the urban leaf, growing calm in small spaces.